want you to think about where you currently live. It could be in Mississauga, Toronto, like myself, Brampton. Maybe like Jamie, you live in a neighborhood really close to UTM. Or maybe like Michael, oops, sorry. Maybe like Michael, you live in a neighborhood really close to UTM. Or maybe like Jamie, you live in a neighborhood a bit farther away. Over half the world's population currently lives in urban areas, including cities, suburbs, and it's expected to increase even more in the future. As urban areas expand across the world, we're seeing how this can impact organisms and how organisms interact with each other and how organisms change over time. But here's the catch. Not all parts of the city are the same. As more and more people are adopting this city lifestyle, we're seeing how environmental goods, such as having a big backyard, hearing lots of birds chirping in your neighborhood, having lots of shade from the trees, these are all unevenly distributed across cities. Where Michael lives, there's huge green spaces like Arundel Park, houses with huge backyards. Where Jamie lives, there's fewer trees and more pavement. My research aims to understand how socioeconomic variation can impact how organisms interact with each other and how they differ in the expression of a trait. I use a plant called white clover, pretty much found in all green spaces. You can find it here at UTM or in your backyard. I located over 30 parks in Etobicoke and Mississauga that have a socioeconomic gradient, meaning that these neighborhoods differ in variables like income levels, as shown on the map, where higher levels of income are in red and lower income neighborhoods are in blue. They also vary in percentage of minorities and education levels. I looked at the interactions between white clover and other species, for example, pollinators like bees or herbivores like insects and root bacteria. I also measured a chemical called hydrogen cyanide, which is produced by the plant to defend itself from herbivores. Using this data, I want to see how the interactions between white clover and other species and its production of hydrogen cyanide can be different in neighborhoods with different socioeconomic status. Although Michael and Jamie live both in Mississauga, just 12 kilometers away, the unintended effects of these social structures created completely different ecosystems. Knowing what you know now, on your way home, keep an eye out for these little white flowers. Thank you.